हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है अपने YouTube चैनल मैथ्स बाय समित देशमुख पे। आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 ऑफ फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज ऑफ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन। Observe the given condition. What is the given condition? The age of a cube is decreasing. Decreasing means what? Changing. If we are denoting the age by x, then the change in the age is denoted by what? Dx by dt, and it is changing at the rate what? 0.6 centimeter per second. This is the first given condition. If we are denoting age by what? X, at that time dx by dt will be equal to 0.6 centimeter per second. It is given to us, and question is to find out the rate at which volume is decreasing. Volume is decreasing means volume is changing, means we have to find out dv by dt. This is our question when age is equal to 2 centimeter. So we have to find out value of dv by dt when x is equals to 2. This is the required value here. So let us try to solve this example. Now we are denoting the age of the cube by x. So let us suppose that here x be the age of the cube and v be its volume, because our example is related with volume. So that's why volume we are denoting by v. So according to given condition, what is the given condition? That age is decreasing means dx upon dt, and it is increasing with respect to time. So its value is equal to 0.6 centimeter per second. It is given to us. So let us denote this given value, say, by equation number first. And our example is related with volume. So we know that for a cube, volume is equal to age cube. Age we have denoted by x. So here we can say that volume is equal to x cube. Our required value is dv by dt. That's why we are differentiating it with respect to t. So differentiate it with respect to t. Let us see what we will get. On this side we will get dv by dt. Now observe the derivative of right hand side. First take the power of x as an coefficient, decrease power of x by 1, then derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt. So which is equal to 3 into x square, keep it as it is from equation number first. Dx upon dt will be equals to 0.6. So replace it by 0.6. So here 3 into 0.6 will be 1.8 x square. Now this is nothing but value of what? Dv by dt. But question is to find out dv by dt at x is equals to how much? 2. At x is equals to 2 means when x is equals to 2, x means length of the age. So when age of the cube is 2 centimeter, at that time we have to find out decrease in the volume, means dv by dt. So when x is equal to 2 centimeter, at that time dv upon dt will be equals to 1.8. keep it as it, just simply replace x by 2, keep square also as it is. So which is equal to 1.8 into 4. Now 18 4s are 72, and decimal point is before one digit, so here we will get 7.2. Means in this way we have got our required value dv by dt when x is equal to 2 will be equals to 7.2. That's why we can say that the volume of cube is decreasing at the rate 7.2 cubic centimeter per second, and this is the value which we have to find out here. Now see the example number 13th. In this case, observe the given condition. A man of height 2 meters walks at a uniform speed of 6 km per hour away from a lamppost of 6 meter high. Find the rate at which the length of the shadow is increasing. So let us try to represent the given data in one figure. So try to understand it. So this 6 meter is nothing but what? Length of the lamppost. So denote here length of the lamppost by AB. So let AB is equal to 6 meter is nothing but length of the lamppost. AB is nothing but what? Lamppost here. And one man is there whose height is equal to how much? 2 meters. So let us consider here one man of height 2 meter. So let us suppose that this CD will be the height of the. Now join AC and let the extended part of AC intersect BD at say point E. So from this figure easily we can observe that here this AB will be equals to 6 meters, because it is nothing but lamp post, and this CD is nothing but height of the man, which is equal to 2. So whatever may be our supposition, first write down all these things. What we are supposing here, let AB be the height of lamp post, CD be the height of man. I am denoting this BD. BD is equal to X, and here easily we can observe that this BD is nothing but distance of this man from the lamp post. BD is equal to X is distance of man from lamp post. D I am denoting by Y, and here easily we can observe that if this is the lamp post and this CD is nothing but man, then this DE is nothing but the shadow of that man, means which we have denoted by what? Y. So here DE, which we have denoted by Y, is nothing but length of shadow. So all the things which we have represented in the figure, which is our supposition, we have written here. So here we can say that therefore AB is equals to 6 meter. It is given to us that it is nothing but length of the or height of the lamp post. CD is equals to, CD is nothing but here 2 meter, which is nothing but height of the man. It is also given to us. Again, if you will observe the given condition, this X is nothing but what? Distance of the man from the lamp post, which we have denoted by what? X. And this distance is increasing. This distance is what? Increasing, because man is moving away from the lamp post. And what is its speed? 6. What is its speed? Speed of the man is 6 km per hour. So that's why we can say that value of X is decreasing. So increasing, dx by dt is equal to, and at what rate? 6 km per hour. This is the given condition, means X is changing at the rate 6 km per hour. It is given to us. And what we have to find out? The rate at which the length of the shadow is increasing. Length of the shadow we have denoted by y, means question is to find out value of dy by dt. This is our required value, that length of the shadow is increasing, means changing. Change in the length of shadow with respect to time is denoted by dy by dt, which is nothing but our required value. Now if you observe here figure very carefully, can I say that this triangle ABE, observe the figure, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. Here easily we can observe that in these two triangles, this each angle is of 90 degree, and even we can say that angle E is the common angle of both the triangle. That's why we can say that these two triangles are similar by AA criterion, or simply we can say that by AA test. And we know that if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So BE is the side of triangle ABC, its corresponding side is here DE, or from the figure also we can observe that its corresponding side is DE, and corresponding side of AB, what is the corresponding side of AB, will be equal to CD. And from figure also we will come to know that these are nothing but corresponding parts of similar triangle, isn't it? So now we are substituting the values. Observe the figure very carefully here. So here we can say that B will be equals to, so check that this BE will be equals to, can I say that X plus Y? Yes, B will be equals to X plus Y. From the figure, D will be equals to Y, so replace D by Y. Again AB is equal to 6, observe the figure here 6, and CD will be equals to how much? CD is equal to 2. All these values we have substituted from this figure. So 6 upon 2 will be equals to 3. Now let us simplify this expression, which can be written as X plus Y is equals to, Y will get multiplied with this 3. So on this side we will get 3Y. So X will be equals to this plus Y, on this side will become minus Y. 3Y minus Y will be equals to 2Y. Now we are differentiating it with respect to t. So derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt, and on this side we will get derivative of y with respect to t is dy by dt. And question is to find out what? Value of dy by dt, isn't it? And what is the given condition? Dx upon dt will be equal to 6 km per hour. So we are substituting the value of dx by dt will be equal to 6. It is given to us. So here after simplifying, can I say that dy upon dt will be equals to 6 divided by 2. 2 इधर multiply इधर आके क्या होगा, divided होगा. So 6 upon 2 will be equals to 3. So what is y? Y is nothing but length of shadow. That's why we can say that therefore length of shadow is increasing at the rate, at what rate? 3 kilometer per hour, and this is the value which we have to find out here. So in this way we have got our required value, that length of shadow is increasing at the rate 3 km per hour. Now see the example number 14th. In this example, observe the given condition. A man of height 1.5 centimeter walk toward a lamppost of height 4.5 meters. So here in the figure we have denoted this CD. CD means man of height 1.5 meter, and AB is nothing but height of the lamppost. According to given condition, it will be equal to 4.5. Here already we have written AB is nothing but height of a lamppost. So here this value is equal to 4.5, and CD is nothing but height of a man. So according to given condition, height of a man is 1.5. So means here we can say that AB will be equals to 4.5 meter, it is given to us, and CD will be equals to, what is the value of CD? 1.5 meter. So these are the given values. Again here we have denoted BD. BD is nothing but, we have denoted it by X, and here easily we can observe that this BD is nothing but distance of this man from this lamp post. So here we have written BD is nothing but distance of a lamp from the lamp post. And here this D we have denoted it by Y, and this Y is nothing but length of the shadow. So all the things which we have which is our supposition in the figure, we have written information of all the things here, isn't it? Now here it is given to us that at the rate of 3/4 meter per second, means a man of height 1.5 meter walks at the rate of 3/4 meter per second. Means here if the man is walking, means which value is changing? X is changing, and this change in the X with respect to t will be equals to 3/4 meter per second. This is the given condition. So here we are writing, and dx by dt will be equals to 3/4 meter per second. This is the given condition. Using this given condition, see what we have to find out. We have to find out the rate at which his shadow is shortening. So means the shadow, length of shadow we have denoted by y, and y is decreasing if this man is walking at the rate 3/4 meter per second. At that time length of shadow is decreasing, means shadow is changing, and shadow is changing in terms of differentiation is denoted by dy by dt. So question is to find out dy by dt. This is our first required value. And second, the rate at which the tip of the shadow is moving. Tip of the shadow, is it whether we have denoted it by e. So distance of this e from the lamppost is nothing but x plus y. So here we have to, means our second required value is dx by dt plus dy by dt, isn't it? This is our second required value. So first we are trying to find out our first required value. Here in this figure easily we can observe that this triangle ABE and this triangle CDE, both these triangles are similar by A criterion, because here this angle is of 90 degree, this angle is also 90 degree, and this is the common angle of this triangle. So we can say that triangle ABE and CDE are similar. So here we can say that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. And by which criterion these two triangles are similar? By A criterion, or we can say that A test. We know that if two triangles are similar, at that time corresponding sides are in proportion. So corresponding side of BE in this triangle will be equal to DE. So here we can say that BE upon DE will be equals to, now side corresponding to AB in the another triangle will be equal to CD. So upon CD. So but it is given to us that AB is equal to 4.5 and CD is equal to 1.5. So that's why we can say that, and BE observe the figure here very carefully. This length of BE will be equal to x plus y. So here I am replacing numerator by x plus y, and DE, observe the figure, D is equal to how much? Y. So y is equal to, and on this side this division 4.5 divided by 1.5 will be equals to 3, which implies that x plus y is equal to 3y, which implies that x is equal to this plus y on this side will become minus y. 3y minus y will be equals to 2y. Now we are trying to find out our first required value, that is dy by dt. That's why we are differentiating this expression with respect to t. So differentiate it with respect to t. So on this side we will get dx upon dt will be equals to 2 dy upon dt. But value of dx upon dt is given to us. What is the value of dx upon dt? 3 by 4. So replace it by 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is equal to 2 dy by dt, which implies that dy upon dt will be equals to 2 is multiplied on this side it will get divided, means it will be in the denominator. So 2 into 4 will be 8, so 3 by 8. So will be our first required value dy by dt. Means we can say that length of the shadow is changing 3 by 8 meter per second. Means changing means either increasing or decreasing, but as it stand our example is related with what? Decreasing. So that's why we can say that length of shadow is decreasing at the rate 3 by 8 meter per second. But second part of the example is nothing but that tip of the shadow is moving. The tip of the shadow is moving at what rate we have to find out. So E is the tip of what? Shadow, isn't it? So its distance from the lamp is x plus y, means x is also changing and y is also changing. If x changes, definitely y also changes. Okay, so here our second required value is d by dt of x plus y. So will be equals to dx by dt plus dy by dt. So just now we have got the value of dy by dt is 3 by 8, and in our example dx by dt is given to us. Check that just now we have substituted this value, that will be 3 by 4. So 3 by 4. So which is equal to, अभी ये यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर 8 है, यहाँ पे भी 8 अगर लाना है तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को. चलो इस टर्म को अगर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते न्यूमरेटर को तो 6 मिलेगा और डिनोमिनेटर में 8 मिलेगा. कीप दिस 3 by 8 as it is, which is equal to 9 by 8. So 9 by 8 is nothing but what? Our second required value. So that's why we can say that hence the shadow is decreasing at the rate. At what rate we have got here? 3 by 8 meter per second, and the tip of shadow is moving at the rate. And what is our second required value? 9 by 8 meter per second. In this way we have got our both required value. First required value is nothing but length of the shadow is decreasing at the rate 3 by 8 meter per second, and here tip of the shadow is moving at the rate 9 by 8 meter per second. Now see the example number 15. In this case, what is the given condition? A ladder of 10 meter long is leaning against a vertical wall. So here wall we have denoted by AC, and AB is nothing but ladder of length what? 10 meter. It is given to us. So here we have written that AB is equal to 10 meter is a given ladder, and A is a point of ladder on the wall and B is its point on the ground. Already all these things we have shown in the figure. And here again the very important thing that we have denoted this value say by X, means top of the ladder from this bottom of the wall be X, and distance of this another end of the ladder from this wall we have denoted by Y. Now observe the given condition. If the bottom of the ladder is pulled horizontally away from the wall at the rate of 1.2 meter per second. So observe here very carefully. If this bottom of the ladder is pulled away from the wall, यानी इधर अगर ladder slip हो जाती है या इधर pull की जाती है तो कौन सी quantity change होंगी? Y change हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. Again observe here, if the bottom of the ladder is pulled horizontally away from the wall, अगर ये इधर ले ली wall इधर ले ली ladder का bottom away from the wall, so we can say that value of y is changing, and this change in the value of y with respect to time is given to us will be equals to 1.2 meter per second. So this is the given value. So here we can say that therefore dy upon dt will be equals to 1.2 meter per second. Now using this, what we have to find out, find how fast the top of the ladder is sliding down the wall. तो अगर ये इधर लैडर इधर अगर स्लिप होंगी तो ये ए पॉइंट भी मूव होगा ऑन द वॉल. So if it move down toward this ground, that अगर ये लैडर इधर स्लिप हो जाएंगी, अगर ये लैडर नीचे स्लिप हो जाएंगी तो कौन सी क्वांटिटी चेंज होंगी, x क्वांटिटी चेंज होंगी. एंड क्वेश्चन इज टू फाइंड आउट द सेम वैल्यू, फाइंड हाउ फास्ट द लैडर इज स्लाइडिंग डाउन द वॉल. दिस डिस्टेंस वी हैव डिनोटेड बाय x and we have to find out change in x with respect to time. So dx by dt we have to find out, and when the bottom is 6 meter away from the wall. तो ये जो bottom है ये from its distance from the wall we have denoted by y. So we have to find out dx by dt when y is equal to how much, 6 meter. This is that what we have to find out. So dx by dt we have to find out when y is equal to how much, 6 meter. So this is our required value which we have to find out. So let us try to solve this example using all these given condition. From this figure, can I say that here according to Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square is equals to 10 square. This result we are getting applying what, Pythagoras theorem. Now we are differentiating it with respect to t. So differentiate with respect to t. What is derivative of x square with respect to t? First take power of x as an coefficient, decrease its power by 1, then derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt. Derivative of y square with respect to t, first take power of y as an coefficient, decrease power of y by 1 into derivative of y is dy by dt. On this side derivative of 10 square will be equals to 0. Now we can observe that 2 on both side will get cancelled, means if you are dividing both side by 2 will get cancelled. Our required value is dx by dt. So x dx by dt, keep it as it is. So this plus term on this side will become minus y dy upon dt, which implies that dx upon dt will be equals to x इधर मल्टीप्लाई इधर आके डिवाइडेड होगा तो क्या मिलेगा हमें, माइनस y बाय x dy upon dt. Now according to given condition, this 6 is nothing but value of y. So now but once the value of y is known to us, अगर ये y मिल गया हमें, it is given to us y is equal to 6. At that time we will require the value of x also. Dy upon dt is given to us, it will be equal to 1.2, which is the unknown value x. Y is also given to us 6. So if y is equal to 6, then using this condition let us try to find out value of x. So when y is equal to 6 meter, then x square plus 6 square is equal to 10 square, means we are substituting this value in equation number first. Then we will get this result from which equation, from equation number first. Let us simplify it. So x square is equal to on this side we will get 100 and square of 6 is 36, so plus 36 on this side will become minus 36. So x square will be equal to 64, which implies that x is equals to 8. Okay, here give this reason also. Now I am substituting this value. When y is equal to 6, x will be equals to 8, and dy upon dt is equal to 1.2. It is given to us 1.2. So which is equal to, minus, keep it as it is. Here easily we can observe that these both the numbers are divisible by 2. Here 2 3s are and here 2 4s are. Again here 3 by 4 into 1.2, keep it as it is. 4 1s are and 4 0.3s are. So which is equal to minus 3 into 3 is 9 and decimal point is before one digit. So here we will get 0.9 is the value of dx upon dt. और हमें भी यही find करना था dx upon dt, isn't it? Change in the value of x when y is equal to 6. So here we can say that therefore the top of the ladder is sliding down the wall at the rate of what? Minus 0.9, means x is changing. X is nothing but distance, and this value is changing with respect to time, and at what rate? 0.9 meter per second. We are not able to consider minus sign here since it is the distance, and distance cannot be negative. Now see the example number 16th. In this example, what is the given condition? If water is poured into an inverted hollow cone whose semi-vertical angle is 30 degree. So here already we have considered one cone, and here the semi-vertical angle is equal to 30 is the given condition, and water is poured in this cone. It is given to us, and the semi-vertical angle will be equals to how much? 30 degree. Again observe the second condition, so that its depth measured along the axis. So depth is measured along the axis, so this will be the axis here, axis of symmetry. Axis means axis of symmetry. So that its depth increases at the rate of 1 centimeter per second. So now depth, if water is poured, means definitely the height of the water is going on increasing. इसकी height क्या करते होते जाएंगी? बढ़ती जाएंगी water के, अगर इसके अंदर water डालेंगे तो ये जो height है हम h से denote करते हैं, and this height is increasing. Increasing means changing, and change means derivative. So dh by dt is equal to how much? 1 centimeter per second. This is the given condition, that dh upon dt. Then we have to find out the rate at which volume of the water is increasing when depth is equals to 2. Means we have to find out increase in volume, means dv by dt when t is equal to how much? 2 centimeter. This is our required value which we have to find out here. So let us make the use of given condition here. See what is our supposition here. We are supposing that at any time t, r be the radius and h be the height. So here radius we have denoted by r. So this r be the radius and this h be the height. And theta is equal to 360 degrees, the semi-vertical angle, and v is the volume. So now here we can observe that dh upon, here theta is given to us. Can I say that this triangle is right angle triangle? Yes, if this triangle is right angle triangle, then tan 30 will be equal to opposite upon what? Adjacent. Means here we can say that, see what values we are getting here. Here tan 30 degree is equals to r upon h. So this implies that what is the value of tan 30? Will be equal to 1 by root 3. We know that tan 30 is 1 by root 3 upon is equal to r upon h. Keep it as it is. अब हमें क्या है? वॉल्यूम निकालना है. वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 1 by 3 pi r square h. If you observe this formula very carefully, r also appears and h also appears. r भी है इसमें और h भी है. हमें या तो ये पूरी टर्म r में चाहिए या तो पूरी टर्म h में चाहिए. लेकिन हमारी गिवन कंडीशन क्या है? dh upon dt is given to us. Since dh upon dt is given to us, so we will try to convert this whole expression in terms of what? h. पूरा h में कन्वर्ट करना है, इसलिए हमें इससे h की वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं. So h will be equals to r we are finding in terms of h. Because we want this whole expression, r को हमें in terms of h convert करना है. तो r की वैल्यू क्या होंगी? ये h इधर डिवाइडेड है, इधर आके मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So r is equal to h upon root 3. Isn't it? This result we are getting here. Let us denote it by equation number first. Getting it? अगर हमें dr by dt ये given condition रहती थी तो हम इसे पूरा r में कन्वर्ट करते थे, यानी हम h की वैल्यू in terms of r निकालते थे. Once the value of r in terms of h is known to us, again this is the given condition that dh upon dt is equal to 1 centimeter per second. Let us denote this value by equation number 2. So what we have to find out? dv by dt. So that's why we are considering dv by dt. So to find out dv by dt, first we have to consider volume. We know that volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So which is equal to 1 by 3, keep it as it is, pi also as it is. I am replacing r by its value. What is the value of r? h upon root 3. keep this square as it is into h also as it is. This value we are substituting from equation number first, which is equal to 1 by 3, keep it as it is, pi. What is square of h here? Square of h will be equals to h square. So here we will get h square upon square of root 3 will be equal to 3 into h, which is equal to 1 by 9 pi h cube. So this is the value of v. Now we are differentiating it with respect to t. So because our aim is to find out value of what? Dv upon dt. So let us differentiate it. See what we will get. Dv upon dt will be equals to, here 1 by 9 pi is a constant term, keep it as it is, 1 by 9 pi, keep it as it is. First we are taking this power 3 as an coefficient. So take power of 3 as an coefficient, decrease power of h. First we have taken power of h as an coefficient, decrease its power by 1. So new power will be 2 into its derivative with respect to t is dh by dt. Now we are simplifying it. Here 3 3s are 9. So here we will get pi by 3. 3 1s are and 3 3s are. So remaining term is what? H square. And dh by dt from equation number second will be equals to 1. So replace dh by dt by 1 from equation number second. So what result we have got here? Pi by 3 into h square. But question is to find out increase in volume when height is equal to, when depth means what? Height is equal to 2 centimeter. So replace h by 2 centimeter. So when h is equal to 2 centimeter, at that time question is to find out dv by dt. So dv by dt is equal to pi by 3 h square, but h I am replacing by 2 square. What is square of 2? 4. 4 into pi is 4 pi. So 4 pi by 3 is the value of dv upon dt. That's why we can say that the volume of water increasing at the rate of, at what rate it is increasing? 4 by 3 pi cubic centimeter per second. And this is nothing but the value which we have to find out here. So in this way we have completed all the example from this exercise. So if you think that these videos are helpful to you, so please like the videos and share these videos with your friends also.